Hey, welcome back to my second video on Temu Keycaps. If you haven't seen the first one, I highly recommend checking it out. Today I've got some pudding keycaps to show you. These set me back €7, but unfortunately the black version is currently out of stock. I'll put a link in description for a similar set that goes for around €11. The top layer of these keycaps is supposed to be made of PBT, which is more resistant to wear and oiling, while the bottom transparent layer is ABS, which ensures an excellent RGB diffusion. Here's a look at how they actually look on my keyboard. After testing a bunch of different light modes, I think rainbow effects or solid color look the best. With more complex effects, the colors started to bleed together a bit too much for my taste, and it felt a little bit overwhelming. Because of that, I actually ended up switching back to my original set. One quick heads up before the sound test. When I was pulling these keycaps off, they were stuck with the switches because of how tight they are. Definitely keep that in mind if you're someone who likes to swap things out often. Anyway, thanks for the watching, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Peace.